Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most epic beef nacho recipe, and these are the ingredients you'll need so far. This is the only recipe you'll need if you make nachos. It's pretty easy, it's simple, no super duper crazy steps, and yeah, let's get into it. So I'm using ground beef. I think this one is very lean. I think it's 90-10 ground beef, but use the one that you prefer. And you want to break down the meat, of course. Y'all already know, because I know most of y'all over there be making spaghetti like 2 to 3 times a week. So I know y'all know how to break down some meat, honey. Okay. Now, can you use ground beef ground turkey in this recipe? Of course you can. Can you use seafood like my viral epic nacho recipe? Yes. And I'll link that below so you guys can check that out. This is what I'm going to use, the kindells, to season this up. I'm not going to use a lot of seasoning on this recipe because, you know, you have the chips, you have the cheese, everything is just like salt. And so the only thing I'm using is that taco seasoning. I'm not adding anything else. By the way, I didn't know Kinder's was doing it like that, honey. That spice is actually really good. And I'm so tempted to go put it on some chicken. Y'all know I love me some chicken. So then I added some onions down in here, and I'm going to let this cook down for about 10 minutes. Alright, so after this cooks down, I'm going to add water as well as some of the pickled jalapeno juice, and I'm going to allow that to cook down. This step doesn't even take long at all, you know, quick wham, bam, bam, and it's done. And yeah, so the pickled jalapeno juice, by the way, don't leave that out. Please don't. But as you add it just like this, you're going to mix it up and get it nice and, you know, combined, and then start reducing the liquid. I can't even explain how good this smells once the juice hit the pan. So this is what it looks like once the liquid evaporates, and I just turned the stove off, cover it, and left it to the side. And now I'm going to work on the cheese sauce. Y'all are not going to believe how simple this cheese sauce is, literally. So I added my butter. I'm going to go down in here with some heavy whipping cream or heavy cream. Next, I'm going to go down in here with some fire roasted tomatoes. You can add as much as you want, but remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. It's always accurate. I never fail, you guys. You already know how it goes. This step as well, you do not want to over season it, so make sure you be careful with your seasoning. When you taste it, it might be like, I want more salt, but also remember, you have that meat, you have the cheese, you have the chips, so don't over season your food, you guys. So now once that gets nice and combined and start to bubble a little bit, I'm going to add the cheese down in here. Once the cheese is down in there, you keep it on for about 10 seconds and turn the stove off. What you don't want to do is boil the cheese. Do not boil the cheese. You're going to ruin your sauce. So do not boil the cheese. Now look at that. But on a serious note, you guys, do not overcook or overboil the cheese. Turn the stove off after you add the cheese, and then the heat will melt your cheese. So now we're going to combine everything and get it nice and looking good. So to my chips, I'm going to add the delicious, smoky, flavorful, spicy ground beef, and then I'm gonna pop on some of the sauce. Y'all, look at that sauce. Ooh, look at that sauce, y'all. Look at it. Look. I know y'all see it. Look at that sauce. Look. And then I'm gonna add some more beef right on top with the pickled jalapenos as well. You can layer this however you want or build it however you want, but I just, I want a little bit of cheese everywhere. Sometimes you go out, you buy some nachos and stuff, it's no cheese at the bottom. Like, don't nobody got time for that, okay? So I'm going to add more cheese sauce on top, over top. This is a big old plate of nachos, by the way. It could be for 2 people. Then I'm going to top this with some sour cream, more pickled jalapenos, which is like the perfect topper, by the way, and some scallions, because you can't make nachos or dip without scallions, okay? And this is what it looks like, you guys. Super easy, super simple. I hope you guys give it a try. Please don't forget to share my videos. Okay, y'all don't be sharing my videos like that. I get it. We all busy, but can y'all please share my videos? Can y'all please drop me a comment? Can y'all please drop me a like? Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Y'all, look at this plate of nachos. The Super Bowl is coming up. Y'all need to, get it together, okay? And this is y'all bite, because y'all say I don't give y'all nothing. This y'all bite right here. A little bit of everything. So good. But thank you guys. Bye.